Arroz con habichuelas is one of those dishes that feels super simple, but it took me several rounds of recipe testing to get this to taste just like my mom's. It's a recipe I grew up eating all the time, and I'm so excited to finally share this family recipe. It starts with some achiote oil or olive oil if that's all you've got, in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, we'll add our sofrito in, both store-bought and homemade is fine, and then we'll add some tomato sauce and chicken bouillon. These base ingredients are going to add so much flavor into the rice, and they also are really important in coating each grain of rice with lots of oil and flavor so that the end result is not dry. So once all of these are in the pot, heating up together, we want to just mix them together and make sure everything is evenly incorporated. It should only take a few minutes for this to happen, and you'll know it's happened when the sofrito is fragrant. Your kitchen will be smelling delicious at this point. And then it's time to add our spices. We're using adobo, sazon, salt, and a couple bay leaves, and we'll also add our rice at this point. And this is one of the things that I had to learn through multiple rounds of testing because I was adding the rice after adding the liquid, but adding it at this stage, again, just allows the rice to get coated with that oil and all of those seasonings. It results in a much more flavorful and much more satisfying texture in the rice. So I'm going to be using this strategy in every rice dish I make from now on. Okay, so you're going to mix just until it looks like every granule of rice is coated evenly with those spices, and then we are going to add our broth or water and our beans. I'm using canned pinto beans and the liquid that comes in the can. You could also use kidney beans or pink beans, and then we'll add our olives. Now these are optional. If you don't like them, feel free to skip them, but I love the flavor that they add. And we'll mix everything together and then turn the heat up to high and bring all of that liquid to a boil. And once it's boiling, we're going to add 4 to 5 sprigs of cilantro and then cover the pot with a tight fitting lid and turn the heat down to low. We're gonna cook for 20 to 25 minutes and then leave this covered as long as you can, like 10 to 15 minutes is ideal, before fluffing the rice and mixing everything together like this. It's just gonna allow everything to settle. I don't understand the science behind it, but I just know that it works, so trust me on this. And from there, you're ready to enjoy. Serve this up as is or with whatever other dishes you like, and enjoy. Buen provecho!